Clear.
There, against the line.
Confirmed. Starting the screws now.
Look at the detail here on the plan. This mounting point is slightly off.
Yeah. Let's check the measurements again before we secure it.
Watch the edge on that slab.
How are we looking on the timeline for the chandelier install?
Team, steady now. Lowering by 2 feet. Copy that. Clear on this side. Watch the lines. Easy does it.
Easy now, just another inch to the starboard side.
Looks perfectly simple.
Incredible. The Galaxy ceiling is perfect.
Yes, the client will be very happy.
All systems green on the cardio deck.
Sync the displays with the main console now.
The lift is descending smoothly. Check the hydraulic pressure.
Pressure is steady. Sequence complete.
Complete. All indicators green on the tablet.
Systems are showing green on the auxiliary displays.
The ice maker is fully functional as well.
A swirl mark just above the scaffold.
Roger that. Applying compound now.
All right, bring it down very slowly. Copy that.
Fully extended.
Roger that.
Disengage the interlock here, then pull the main release lever firmly until it locks securely into the down position.
Exhaust gas temperatures holding steady at 350. Oil pressure nominal.
Confirmed, Chief. Cooling water flow is optimal.
Hard port for emergency test.
Roger that. Hard port initiated. Test procedures successfully completed.
Activating the roll damping system. The stabilizer fins are now deploying. As shown here, the system is proving.
Inspection complete. The hub and blades are secure. Looks good for sea trials.
Ensure all safety protocols are acknowledged before we proceed.
Bridge, Chief Engineer. Throttle increased for departure. RPM steady at 75.
Heave the last line.
All clear, sir. She's moving.
Absolutely magnificent.
Bridge to dock, we are clear of the forward dolphins. Confirm lines are clear. Confirming course adjustment complete. Heel angle approaching 20 degrees.
Noted. Speed holding steady at 25 knots.
Well within acceptable parameters.
Stopping distance confirmed at 0.9 nautical miles, Captain. Data recorded.
Excellent. The emergency stop capability is proven. Test successful.
Galley ventilation is fully operational.
Confirmed. The smoke dissipation looks good. We are ready for final reports.
The sea trials checklist is complete. Now let's examine the deck surfaces for any signs of damage.
Everything appears satisfactory up here.
Hang the Renoir just above the console, centered perfectly.
Centered, understood.
And the orchids need more light.
Just a fraction higher on the right, there. Perfect alignment.
Two minutes on table 12, Chef.
Perfect. Hands now.
Welcome aboard. The final inspection is complete and the vessel is ready.
Thank you, Captain. She is magnificent.
We are gathered here today to christen this magnificent vessel, the Starfinder. May she have fair winds and following seas.
May God bless this ship and all who sail on her.
It is my pleasure to hand over the official documents and congratulate you on this magnificent vessel.
Thank you. She is everything we dreamed of.
To the finest yacht on the Mediterranean.
Here, here. Another wonderful evening.
I could stay out here forever. Don't you just love the sound of the waves? It's perfect.
I remember when we first tried to sail here, the weather was dreadful.
Oh, don't remind me. But this makes up for it entirely.
Have you ever seen anything so massive?
And it's solid gold. Look at how it shines.
This is incredible. I wonder who owns it.
What a beautiful sunset.
It truly is magnificent this evening.